Hello everyone, I'm Roy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to program a multi-layer multi-pass weld with wraparound angles. Here's how it works step by step. First, select the multi-layer multi-pass welding process from the system and set your initial pitch angle. Next, you will need to teach 4 reference points. The first 2 along the weld seam itself, and the other 2 on each of the side steel plates. Once points are set, click Calculate to let the system process the data. Be sure to verify that the calculated angle is correct. After that, you can go ahead and teach the first welding pass. Then, repeat the same process for the second pitch angle. Teach the point, click Calculate to confirm, and finally teach the second welding pass. Once everything is in place, don't forget to run a pass simulation to review and confirm the welding results.